I'm Lori from Quilters Headquarters in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I would like to show you our brand new Q-Zone hoop frame from Graceful Company. This frame is used for long arming your quilts. You can long arm any size quilt that you have on this 4.5 foot frame. The quilt will hang over the edge, and as you quilt one section, you unsnap it and move it down and quilt the next section. One of the nice things that I really like about this frame is that it has square rails. And with the square rails, your snaps here hold much, much tighter, so they do not move. Other options that come with this frame is, well, before I get to the options, I want to say too that you can stand up or sit down at this frame. So depending on your needs, you have those nice options as well. If you, we have our Qnique 15R from Graceful Company head on this frame, and this head actually has manual horizontal vertical locks. It's a 15-inch bed, so it does a nice size quilt on it, or a nice size space to be quilting on it. If you prefer, you can put your own sewing machine on this frame, or we also have a nice Juki high-speed straight stitcher that we could put on this frame as a less expensive option. With that, you would need this as an option. This is a separate carriage for a domestic machine to put on it. As an introductory offer, we are including this ruler, which is a nice curved ruler, our 3-piece hopping foot set, and this awesome light bar to go over your frame. So I hope you'll stop in, check out our introductory pricing for this setup, and come see us at Quilters Headquarters in Sioux Falls, South Dakota.